This is the Meizu Gravity Suspension speaker that was launched on August 2018 with an unusual design. The 10.3 by 2.3 black speaker rests on an acrylic stand that pokes through the gravity's left side, leaving most of the speaker to dangle outward. On top of the speaker, you'll find a prism display that uses optical reflection to make it appear as if the track information on the display is floating above the gravity. The biggest highlight of the Meizu Gravity Bluetooth speaker is the design. It is designed by Japanese designer Tsutsui Hiroyuki. The black color speaker features a transparent acrylic glass which makes the speaker look floating in the air. Another visual effect of this design is the use of prisms to refract images onto acrylic crystals, making it both stylish and technological. The acrylic glass on the surface of the speaker also shows the song name, progress and other track-related information. The Meizu logo is located on the side where the speakers are suspended. I was impressed by how balanced the gravity actually is. I thought it might tip over at the slightest knock, but it took me pushing the speaker over to make it tip. I'd like to see how readable that display is in a real-world setting, but I like that it looks clear when not in use, adding to the gravity's floating feel.
我敢给就敢心碎，镜头前面是从前的我们，在喝彩，流着泪，声嘶力竭。离开也很体面，才没辜负这些年爱的热烈，认真付出的画面，别让执念毁掉了昨天，我爱过你，利落。
Meizu Gravity is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker that features a pair of 1.25-inch full-range speakers. An OPOT is also available on the device. Compared to conventional speakers, Meizu Gravity offers 30% more magnetic flux density.
轉到1973，嗰年8妹28，阿坤也18，駕住西關潮漲，水滿荔枝灣，撐艇仔四圍掛，也開心無間，相處簡單，未會想一天瞓。 轉到1973，嗰年8妹28，阿坤也18，駕住西關潮漲，水滿荔枝灣，撐艇仔四圍掛，也開心無間，相處簡單，未會想一天瞓覺，此刻凝望。 那道暖暖的光線漸透入了窗邊，睡眼惺忪依稀望見，團線風箏空中獨處，任滿地碎葉，微風捲起數片，樹幹棲息那雙錯鳥，或有天嘴尋理想。 飛散不見，願你可於他方過活別來無恙。人在某已過，但遺下印象。 那道暖暖的光線漸透入了窗邊，睡眼惺忪依稀望見，團線風箏空中 獨處，任滿地碎葉，微風捲起數片，樹幹棲息那雙錯鳥，或有天嘴尋理想飛散不見。願你可於他方過活別來無恙，人在某夜。
The high-sensitivity speaker by Meizu has been built in partnership with Dirac to ensure impressive audio. After accessing the power, Gravity will prompt you to download the app for network pairing on the screen. Currently, the app is only available in Android, and iOS is temporarily unavailable. After downloading and completing the installation, just enter the Wi-Fi password in the app. Entering the app, you will receive a version 2.2 update. After the update is complete, you can see the current main interface. In addition to the need to connect the power cord for daily use, there is also an auxiliary input interface. Users can connect to a PC, Mac or smartphone for music playback via the included auxiliary input audio cable.